Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you another exciting trading strategy which I believe even a newbie or professional traders or anyone can understand this trading strategy. And if you can pay attention and master this trading strategy, is something that you will really benefit, and it will give you the opportunity to make a very good profit from the market. This strategy, I'm using it on a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I'm currently on a USD JPY. You can trade this on Forex. You can trade this using on crypto or indices, or if you are trading a bond or yield, well, no matter the asset class, you can use this strategy to trade any asset class of your choice. So first, you might be wondering how you can get these indicators to your chart. You can see the link on the description below. Just go down to the description of this video. You will see the link to download add this indicator to your chart. Just click on it and it will lead you to where you can get this indicator for free. These two indicators are free, so you can get it there. So without wasting much time, you see these two indicators on the chart. One is this our pro weight oscillator, which gives us these signals which you see on your chart, and we have the second one, which is the resistance, support and resistance. These are the ones here on the chart. So why do we combine these two indicators together? You see, the oscillator will help us to understand where the momentum of the market is building, and from what you can see here, take for example, at this point you see that the oscillator has changed the color from red to green. So this is telling us that we are building up on a buy momentum. So because this is what the oscillator do. The oscillator gives us the momentum in the market. So once we get this oscillator, gives us this signal, and once across here, it gives you the signal on the chart. At this point, we are not ready yet to place a trade. So first thing we wait is to see whether there is a support or resistance at that very particular point where the oscillator is giving us a signal. And you can see at this point you have here your support, okay, at this point, okay, has from this point you have the at this level, you see that the pair was moving in a downward, and it came to this point. It makes a move up, come down, it bounce up again, and this particular area, you see that we have broken here above this very particular resistance. We are broken above the resistance and having a confirmation that we are bullish, and the oscillator is telling us that we are bullish. So with this in alignment, all we need is at the close of this very particular candle, this is where we open our buy trade. And once you open your buy trade here, your stop loss should be very minimal. Place your stop below this your support, because currently now the resistance has turned to support. Place it below this your support level. In case if price go down against you, the loss will be very minimal. And you see from this point, as the price try to consolidate here, then it picks up, and you see the price continue moving until it gets stalled at this very particular region. You see from this area the price gets stalled. So within this area, you see what I do with this strategy is that I look for another potential area of support or resistance to take profit. In this case, I'm looking at another potential area of resistance, and you see within this region you have already a potential that there is a resistance in the market. You see price is not being able to break above this region until this resistance shows on the screen. So the moment you have this resistance on the screen, this is opportunity for you to exit this trade. Exit the trade, take your profit, and wait for another potential opportunity. And here you have another opportunity. The oscillator here has changed from green to red. This is telling us that the price, there is much momentum on the sell side. And you see here you have already resistance at this very particular point, and you see here you have a signal on the chart. Okay, so at the close of this candle, considering that you have already the resistance, so the close of this candle, this is where you open your trade. And once you open your trade here, all you'll be looking for is to see another potential area of support. In this case, you'll be looking for another potential area of support. You can see there is a consolidation that happens within this region. So in this case, if you have taken this trade at this point, you should find a way to close your market. If this is a live market, you should try to close the trade and look for better opportunity in the market. I will show you another example of a trade which I took using this same strategy. You see, look at this chart. I took first initial time, I took this trade here, okay, using the same concept. I see at this point the oscillator has already changed from green to red. This is telling me that there is more potential in the selling direction. There is more sell pressure in the market. This oscillator has already identified, and I see there is a signal here on the chart. What I need to look out for to see whether there was a potential support or resistance in the market. And I see here we have a major resistance which has already started building up from this region. From here you have a potential resistance building up in the market. So the moment I get this signal here, all I need is to open my trade at the close of this candle, and I place my stop slightly above this resistance, because I don't want my loss to be big. So I try to minimize my loss in case if the market goes against me, so I can take a minimal loss. Understand that there is no indicator, there is no trading system that is 100%, so always try to be very cautious with your stop. So once I place my stop here and I place my order here, all I need is to be watching the market, monitoring to see whether there is any potential resistance point in the market or potential support in the market. So as the price is moving, I can see there is no much consolidation. Price is still moving downwards. I'm getting a lower low. The lower lows are building up, okay? And I get to this point, I see that this low has not been able to be broken. Instead, there is a printed higher high painting in the market. And I see from here, I get another here. There is a support, okay? I see that here I've gotten a support, and from this area here I see that I've gotten here a change from red oscillator to green oscillator, telling me that now the market is moving in an upward direction, which means there is more pressure for buying in the market. This is the reason I opened this trade, which you see on the chart. Currently, I'm running in profits. I'm just waiting for market to open by tomorrow to see how this market is moving. Here is my target, and this is the minimal stop which I place, because I know that if the markets move against me, my loss is going to be very small. So my initial target is to reach this region, and you can see I'm currently in a good profit in this trade. So all I need is to wait. If I see that this higher high has been broken and price is heading to this region, all I need to do is to move my stop, okay, to this area. Then I move this my take profit to be above this resistance. If there is more contention in this resistance zone, if I see that there is much pressure that the price is not able to break this resistance zone, this is the point where I'm going to take my profit. So I'm giving you this to understand how I look at the market and how I take actions in the market. So you can see this is the best way you can trade the market in order to make profit from the market. So all you need is to pay attention, follow this strategy the way I've explained it. If you have any concern, if you feel that you don't understand anything, ask questions. This is a free channel where we share our trading strategy. So ask questions, we'll be able to explain to you, we'll be able to guide you. As I mentioned before, these indicators are free. You can just get it. The link is there in the description, and you can add it to your TradingView account. And there are just 2 indicators, so you can easily add them to your TradingView account. Whether it's a free account, you can easily add it, and you follow it like this, and you'll be able to make profit from the market. I wish you happy trading.